Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share a Shopify product link. Whether you're looking to promote your store's products through social media, email, or any other platform, sharing a direct product link can be a powerful tool. It's a simple yet effective method to guide your audience straight to a specific item, sparing them the hassle of navigating through your entire inventory. Sharing direct links increases your conversion rate. When users land on a product page instead of your home page, they buy faster because they see exactly what you want them to see. Studies show direct product page traffic converts 2x to 5x better than general store traffic, especially on mobile. So, let's dive right in and walk through the straightforward process together. First, we'll want to begin by visiting your Shopify dashboard, which is where you'll manage all aspects of your online store. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice an option labeled Online Store. Beside it is an eye icon. This is your gateway to previewing your live site, allowing you to see exactly what your customers see. Go ahead and click on that eye icon to open your live storefront in a new tab. If you share links on mobile, Shopify apps like the Shopify or Facebook or Instagram allow you to paste the copied link directly into posts, bios, and messages. Okay, so you can also shorten your link using services like link shorteners if the platform limits characters. Aim for clean links and captions. With your store now open, you'll want to find the specific product you're interested in sharing. Whether it's a bestseller or a new product you're eager to promote, take your time navigating to this item. Simply browse through your collections or use the search functionality on your site to locate the product. Organize your share strategy. If you promote a new product, add it to 3 platforms: the mobile app WhatsApp, the mobile app TikTok, and your email list. Reuse the product link. Keep the messaging tight. Include a CTA like tap to view product. Once you've found the product you want to highlight, it's time to get that URL. At the top of your browser, you'll see the address bar containing the web link for the exact page you're viewing. Click on that URL to highlight it. Make sure that you've selected the entire link and then right-click to reveal more options. From here, choose Copy to save this URL out to your clipboard. Before sharing, test the link in incognito or a private window. This ensures the link works for everyone and doesn't redirect to your admin view. Your subscribers need a public view link to land correctly. With the product URL now copied, you're ready to share it. Think about where you want to place this link. You might paste it in an email to send directly to a client who's shown interest, or perhaps you'll share it in a social media post to entice potential new customers. No matter where you decide to share the link, remember to include an engaging caption or message to catch your audience's attention and make them eager to click through. Use product links in Shopify ads. Facebook ads, Instagram story swipes, and TikTok shop campaigns allow product page URLs. Pick your top seller link. Plug it into your campaign, optimize for clicks and sales. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've equipped yourself with the ability to share direct links to your Shopify products effortlessly. This method offers a quick and easy way to direct traffic to specific items, hopefully increasing your chances of making a sale. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your Shopify store. Until next time, happy sell.